Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm Danny, and this is going to be an unboxing from the Target Beauty Box. This box was called In Your Skin, and I got it for roughly like $2 and some change. It was $5, but it had like 30% off on the cartwheel. Then I have a Target Red card, so that was like an extra discount right there. So it ended up, after all the discounts and everything, it ended up being like $2 and like 70 something cents or something like that, and with the tax. But this is my first time ever getting a Target Beauty Box, and this was the In Your Skin one. It was released for June, but this is just like a little sample box. It's not the official June one. But I'm going to open it up and show you guys how it looks. And it did come with plastic on the outside, but I already taken the plastic off, so I can just easily open the box. Okay, so this is the little card that's inside the box. It says, "In your skin, winter was harsh, but now warmer days are approaching. It's time to spring and to revive skin. To the rescue, our box of beauty go-tos that's sure to ward off your last bit of cold winter woes and restore your complexion, giving you the glow and hydration it's been begging for. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. Like what you tried. We want to see what you get. We love what you loved and how you styled it. Tag us with Target Beauty or Target Beauty Box." And on the back, it tells you everything that it comes with. Is a Garnier Skin Active Mist Spray. And then it tells you how to use it. It's a Pixie Rose Tonic. Pixie brand is kind of expensive inside Target. I've always wanted to try the brand, but I haven't tried anything from it. So I'm really excited to try that. And it tells you how the best results to use in the morning and at night after cleansing your face. So yeah, so that tonic water helps balance the pH and minimize redness so skin looks rehydrated and feel refreshed. And the Garnier Rose Water, it's a facial mist, lightly hydrates your skin to soothe and look rejuvenated. So I guess it's just a box to bring your skin back to life after it's been dull in the winter, since it was so cold and stuff like that. So yeah. Then it says a native lavender and rose deodorant. I guess that's one of like the new little natural deodorant. I've never tried any of them, so I'm really excited to try that. And it's the Garnier 3-in-1 Rose Water for lightweight moisturizing. So yeah, basically all this box is for moisturizing your face and stuff, and like all natural stuff. And then it has a Method Pure Peace body wash. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside the box. So this is the little sample of the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist with rose water. And if you ever got any one of the sample boxes before, you know that it has like a little spray thing. Because I got some from influencers. So when they send us like the Vera Wang perfume or whatever, it comes like this in this little thing like this. I'm just going to randomly pick them out. So this is the Pure Body Wash. Well, the Method Body Pure Peace Body Wash. And it is 0.34 fluid ounces, 100 milliliters. So you can get a few washes out of this. I'm going to see how it smells. It smells really, really good. And it says it's peony, rose water, and pink sea salt. I don't know if you can actually see that. I'm trying to hold it so you guys can actually see it. And this is the Garnier like 3-in-1 moisturizing day night mask made with rose water. And it's not an actual sheet mask, it's the little cream stuff you rub on there. There's the directions on the back. So you're only going to get one-time use out of it. This is not that much in here. So we have the little Pixie Skin Treats Rose Tonic Water. And it is I'm trying to find the milliliters on it so I can show you guys. Give me a second. 0.05, 0.5 fluid ounces, 15 milliliters. And this is the Pixie brand. I've only seen Pixie inside of Target. I think it's like a European brand. And then this is like the little native deodorant, lavender and rose. Let me see how this smells. I can't figure out how to take the top off, and I don't want to waste time. Because it's not like one of the regular deodorants that you could just pop off. Yes, nothing's coming off. I have to figure it out off camera. But this is how it looks. Lavender with rose. So this whole box is rose. So I guess that's the theme. And it is 0.35 fluid ounces. This can like go in your gym bag or something. But yeah, everything has rose in it. I just noticed that. So I got 5 different things. And the last thing was this little $2 coupon from Garnier, $2 off when you buy any Garnier product. I know like the regular beauty boxes or whatever, it'll give you like a, what, $3 off coupon or something like that for your beauty purchase. But this one's strictly on the Garnier. So it is 2 Garnier products inside of here. So yeah, so that was a quick little unboxing from the Target beauty box. I'm going to try the products, and if I actually do like them, I will actually go and purchase the full-size samples. The full-size products, because this was a sample box. And like I said, it was $5. Originally, the boxes are like 10, like when they first come out. But this is the end of the month, so I guess they slashed the prices. So it was $5. And then I found like deals and stuff on the Target Cartwheel app that was 30% off, so that more came off that. Then I have a Target card, so that came off more. So I ended up paying like $2 and something plus tax. So I was really excited. So, and it's 5 products in here. It's enough for me to get some good uses out of it. Even with the $2 with a little body wash, that's enough for me. It's like covered the box. Oh, I forgot to mention, Target Beauty Box isn't like your normal monthly subscription box. They release their boxes on the website at the beginning of the month online. You usually can only get them online, but it just so happened that this was inside the store. So they release them online. You pay like a one-time fee. You don't have to like sign up for a subscription or anything. So therefore, if you don't like whatever boxes they have that month, you could just not buy it. It's not like other boxes that they still bill you and charge you the month before you even get the box. So yeah, you could just go right on the website and order it offline, because they mainly only online. I don't know why this was inside the store. Maybe they had an influx online that they didn't sell and they just sent it to the stores. But yeah, so you just go online at the beginning of the month when they release the boxes. And it's really hard to get boxes if the boxes are very, very good. So if you see it on there, just get it, especially if you like it, because you can go back like 30 minutes later and it's completely sold out. So yeah, I just want to add that little tad bit in there. And I'm going to turn the box over so you guys can see how it looks on the back. So on the back, it just lists like all the products that comes inside of it, 5 different samples. And then it lists the actual products on the paragraph form with the ingredients. And it tells you what the products are supposed to do. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you like these type of videos and you want to see more unboxings and different unboxing that doesn't have anything to do with like Target or anything, just any kind of unboxing that I may be interested in the products, feel free to leave a comment down below. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Check out my eyelash website, affordablemeeklashes.com. I have a 50% off sale going on all lashes, and if you order over a certain amount, you get free shipping. I think it's $30. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, the code for the eyelashes is 50 off, so it's 50 and the letters OFF. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. Follow me on all social media. I have different contests and giveaways that will be coming up. Thank you for being patient with me. I know I haven't posted in a while, but I've really been working a lot and trying to get my business like way more like out there. So thank you guys for being patient with me. And if you do want to connect with me off of YouTube, I have Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter, but I'm mainly active on Instagram. Write into me at DanniGivesAdvice@gmail.com. That's my advice column. I'll answer your question on camera in a dedicated video. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching me. Bye.